I want to wish you a very, very warm welcome to the opening night of the Indian Film Festival here in Berlin. It's a great pleasure to have you here. I would like to just start right off with your talking about your movie Boong and something you'd like to tell us about it. What's top of your mind or what makes the movie for you?
So, Boong is a really personal journey for me. It's like literally my bittersweet memories of Manipur. And the more I get a platform to show it, not just in India but outside, for me, it's not just a great honor, but it's actually letting people also know, sharing the world that which is very far removed. You know, hardly anyone, even in India, know much about Manipur. So that gives me a great joy to be able to share stories from where I come from a region which is very ignored, and that we have the different cultures in our country. So this is one of them. So it's a great sharing stories from these kind of places. Yeah.
Absolutely. And I was also speaking with Mr. Irani. Yes. Yeah. I was speaking with Mr. Baman Irani, and he also mentioned having worked with you before, and you worked in so.
I was taken aback by her film. She's brought something new that I've not seen in Indian cinema. The kind of freshness, and it's political. It's so political, and yet you don't notice the politics of it till the end. And it's so well hidden. It's brilliant. It's a brilliant film. She's lovely.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you, Shekhar. That's what I said. Thank you, because coming from him, you know. Yeah.
yeah, and that was.
Really nice.
Yeah.
That was my actually next question. You worked on some brilliant movies, Laksha, and with some great people. And this time the set was local, the cast was local in many ways. What was your experience with them?
Oh, so we were inventing, like, we were just catching people and saying, can you be now this person, like line producer, or can you be that? We had a crew from Mumbai and some technicians from Calcutta and stuff. But with local crew, it was very challenging because of the way we work also in Bombay, the hours, and just that everything has to happen. But forgetting the crew, shooting in Manipur, it's a very different, it's a slightly unpredictable terrain, right? Anything can happen anytime. So that was very challenging. But it was fun overall. And it was great to work with people who have not done cinema before, because there's some kind of excitement and energy, the new energy they bring in. Because for them, they were doing something new. They were so excited. For us, not for me, because my first films, obviously, I was very excited. But for, so they brought in a great, amount of freshness, yeah.
We're all really looking forward to it. I'm sure it is, on top of charts for everyone. No, one last. Which one movie are you looking forward to besides Boong in the
Most
festival?
of them.
Sorry.
I've seen most of the films, yeah, already. I think Bamans, because I have not watched that, yeah. Yeah.
And one last question on your impression of this city, Berlin.
It was like we landed last night, so everything was grey and snow. But I think I will always associate with that lightness of snow, and there was something thing, because it was my first time seeing snow also. So I think I'll always associate the winter wonderland with Berlin.
That's wonderful to hear. Thank you so much for your time and taking the time out. Thank you.